What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are starting to work on the Del Sol owned by Jason, and he's going to let you know what we're going to be doing today.
Hey guys, my name's Jason. This is Red Panda, formerly just introduced. It's a 93 Honda Del Sol SI, originally automatic, but obviously we are going to convert that to manual. But today we are going to be working on the braking system. One of the ideas that I got for today is we are going to be changing out the brake booster, the master cylinder, and the proportioning valve. The reason we are going to be switching up to the bigger size, like the master cylinder, we are going to be upgrading to a 1-inch, which came from the 98 Integra Type R, and the brake booster, which comes from a CRV or an Integra Type R or a GSR from 2001. The reason we are switching over to these particular components is we are going to be switching over to the Avix RL calipers on the front end, which we definitely need a lot more brake fluid and brake pressure to actually control those 4-pot pistons.
Alright guys, I want to show you a quick side-by-side comparison between the new and the olds. The other one is a 3/16" diameter here, and the new one is a 1". So therefore you have more braking power and all that jazz. Guys, got a little bit of update for you. Got the proportioning valve back in, got all the fittings tightened up, and managed to get that one good, so it's good to go. I also got these lines hooked up too. Believe it or not, I did a little bit of bending with a closed-end wrench, just to slowly put a little bit of a bend in here. And you see, it's not kinked, so you don't have to worry about it. I mean, there's a little bit of a stress mark, but it's not that bad. So I managed to put it in there on both sides. And that's basically good to go. All we need to do is bolt up in the back here, or the 4 bolts, and put the pin back in, and that's going to be set for this portion of the video. That's about it.
You go. Okay, hey guys, we're pretty much at a stopping point for tonight. We got the 1" master cylinder installed, the new brake booster, and the proportioning valve. So on the next video we'll be getting the 2 front knuckles, basically getting those prepped for the new RL calipers and the new brake lines that will hopefully be coming in this week. I will see you on the next one.